A friend recently reached out to me and told me that he would love to have an idea of how much a Nollywood movie uploaded on YouTube could earn. And there's this particular Nollywood movie that is currently trending in the Nigerian social media space. This movie has recently gotten 13 million views in the first 10 days of upload on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you reasons why Nollywood movie producers are uploading their videos on YouTube instead of other streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime, and the rest. And I'll also share with you the estimated revenue that this Nollywood movie has gotten in the first 10 days of uploading it on YouTube. So if you're new here, you are welcome. I do share tips on how to grow on YouTube and also how to grow your business with YouTube. So if you love watching content like this and you want to be part of the community, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload useful videos like this. And for my returning subscribers and my OGs, thank you for joining back, and I believe that we are going to learn something new from this video. Now, if you're new to content monetization, it basically means you being paid for uploading videos on the internet. And currently there's no social media platform that pays as much as what YouTube pays for its content creators for uploading videos on their platform. There's no social media platform, and this is one of the reasons why most Nollywood movie producers recently started choosing uploading their movies on YouTube. Now, before you start making money on YouTube, they have what they call the monetization requirement, which means that you need to get this threshold before you start, before YouTube start paying you for uploading your content, whether movies or video, on their platform. The first is that your channel should get at least 1,000 subscribers, and also your videos being watched for 4,000 hours at least in the past 12 months. So with this, you are now eligible when you apply, and when YouTube approves your channel, you can now start making money. That is, YouTube will be paying you for uploading videos on their platform. Now, this is one of the reasons why you see most Nollywood movie producers are now ditching other streaming platforms for YouTube, because the entry level is very, very easy. So like some few Nollywood movie channels that I've worked with, it took them like less than 1 month to get their channel monetized. But if it is in the case of Netflix, requirement is very stringent. Like, you need to work with an authorized agent. You need to tidy up some legal frameworks, and the technical side of things. There's a particular camera or particular equipment you need to use for shooting your videos before Netflix can accept, or before it becomes a Netflix standard movie. Based on this fact, we know that most Nollywood movie producers, they make their movies on a budget, and a good number of them will probably not be able to afford all those stringent requirements from Netflix. Hence, they upload their movies on YouTube. As I shared earlier in my previous video, I know those of you that are regular here, we have seen this video before. Like this video, like you see that in January 2015, this video got about 1.9 million views, and this 1.9 million views earned them over $7,000. And when we convert this to Naira, it will give us, the Naira estimate is about 11 million Naira. That is, this channel earned 11 million Naira in January alone. And when you do the necessary calculation, the 13 million views that this Nollywood video has gotten in the first 10 days should be around $50,000. That is, it means that this Nollywood movie in the first 10 days of upload has earned up to $50,000. But it doesn't end there. This is just a fraction of what this Nollywood movie has earned from YouTube. This channel uploads videos within the range, an average of 10 minutes long. So definitely you can't compare a 10 minutes video with a video that is up to 2 hours. When your videos are less than 8 minutes, the only ads that could play will be at the beginning or at the end of the video. So now this channel have an average of 10 minutes long videos, that is on an average, but like the Nollywood movie is up to 2 hours. So the longer the video, the more ads that could be placed in the video and the more ads that viewers could watch. And when people watch more ads on a video, the owners of the video make more money. So I want to show you a video on my channel that is almost close to the length of this Nollywood movie. So this video is 1 hour 28 minutes long. At least it's more than 1 hour, and this video has gotten 8,000 views and has earned $56. So when you check it based on the 13 million views that the Nollywood movie has gotten, the Nollywood movie should be earning around $90,000. That is in the first 10 days of upload. So now it doesn't end there. Like, this video is an educational video, which means that people don't normally watch, they don't normally watch it to the end. So like, if I check the engagement of this video, you can see that about 5% of the people that watch this video watch it close to the end. But for entertainment videos, when the video is engaging, the minimum is normally around 20%. You get the point. So, and when more people watch us on the video, the owners of the video will make more money. So like on this video, like about 5% people watch it close to the end of the video. So definitely I may be losing out in the revenue compared to if about 20% of the viewers watched it close to this point. And another thing again that will influence, that will enable this video to earn more again, is when it comes to, there's what we call ad slot on YouTube, where YouTube plays. You can see all these points. These are ads placements on this particular video. So initially I manually inserted about 14 ad slots on this video, and they were very okay. But when I added the automatic ad slot, YouTube add additional, to the extent that we have about almost 50 ad slots on this video. So imagine that 20% of the people that watch this video watch it close to the end. This video would have earned more than $56, definitely up to like $70. You get the point. So based on these facts, if you are going to estimate like how much this Nollywood movie could be earning, this Nollywood movie could have earned up to $100,000. Excuse me, up to $100,000 in the first 10 days of upload. That is if all the views are organic. You get the point. So when you now calculate how much is $100,000 currently, we have US dollar to naira is about 150 naira at this moment. And when you check it, that means that this Nollywood movie has earned about 150 million naira in the first 10 days of uploading it on YouTube. So let me know your thoughts. Is this money worth it? Upload a Nollywood movie on YouTube, or would they have made something better if they upload it on Netflix? Mind you, this revenue is just the first 10 days. As the day goes by, they will be making more. And if this video hits up to like 30 million views, then you know that it's like about triple of what they will be seeing on the screen right now. So that is that. So now, for you to make money on YouTube, there's what we call the AdSense account. You need to set up an AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. So if you know that you're about to monetize your channel, or you have issues with setting up your AdSense account, you can subscribe to my AdSense support program. So on this AdSense support program, I will help you to apply for your YouTube monetization, set up your AdSense account, link it to your YouTube channel, and get everything that you need to verified in AdSense, and then make sure that you get your first payment into your bank account. So if you need support and AdSense support, subscribe to my AdSense support program and you will be glad you did. So thank you very much for watching. I would like to hear more from you, and we'll probably continue this conversation on a live stream that will be coming in some hours. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.